We just need you guys to hold that standing. Can we just already down there?
विचार
Yes, one second.
पुढे आहे तुम्ही सांगा रीता जी यहाँ पे आपके राइट साइड में यहाँ पे रीता जी हाँ हाँ ना रीता जी यहाँ पे रीता जी राइट पर मैम यू मैम सो स्ट्रेट रीचा वेट वेट रीचा जी कम या सोलो या रीचा जी वन सेकंड लाइट कमी कर रहे लाइट का मार ले बेंच चौड़ी बंद करो रीचा जी यहाँ पे सामने रीचा जी सामने यहाँ पे अरे गोविंद ले लो
जाओ ना यार
बोले बस कर हो गया देखो बड़ा रैंप आउट हो गया
ये मंगे बाजू लगा हिला बाजू मंगे बाजू अरे बॉस अरे स्कूल एक्सक्यूज मी कैन यू
Yes, done, welcome.
अरे मैं इकडे कुठे बोलतो दोन पीछे दोन-तीन तो मैं पीछे बाकी सब
Yeah, just pause.
माइंड नहीं पड़ा था जस्ट गुड
Yeah, just
ये सेंटर ये सेंटर लेफ्ट साइड
मनुषा मैम यहाँ जाऊँगा
yeah. मैं बोलूँ ना बाकी स्टिल हो गया
हटा पहला बिल्ड आई कर
मैम यहाँ पे एक बार सामने
रिव्यू करने लगा जाएगा
Yeah,
1 2 3 4 ओह माय गॉड
मैम यहाँ पे
अबे बेल रुको ये कासो बाजूला
मैम राइट साइड ये भी उठतो एक मिनिट
अरे वो उभा दिसतोय जा ब्रह्मन बाजूला जेवण को
अच्छा अभी अंदर
मनुषा स्ट्रेट है सेंटर
मनीषा लेफ्ट साइड थापा पीछे थापा आगे बढ़ जा थापा सुनता नहीं है तुझे थापा तेरे कमल करूँगा तेरा
राइट
ये झालं की चांगलं झालं
अरे क्या कर रहा है यार
So,
मैम ऑन राइट थोड़ा ऑन राइट राइट साइड में सेंटर राइट साइड लास्ट
Your creation.
Sorry.
From the store.
How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
Thank you so much for coming.
Please. From having seen the place, I have to see it.
First room on the left is going to be your spa room. And it has an exhaust. You have a smell also. Oh, they all want the picture of you. Yes. Go there. Sir, on the right. Thank you.
बैटरी खत्म हो गई है
नहीं ठीक है अभी फिलहाल
थप्पा You will see it. And it's going to happen.
Amanda, start.
Yeah, rolling.
Inside my bones, it goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home, we're flying low, no ceiling when we in our zone. Got that kick so in my feet, I feel that hunger in my body, it drops. My eyes are pumping, moving so phenomenally.
Good evening, thank you.
We've been told like you have been our regular over here. What makes this place special?
I've been coming to A Creations Hair and Beyond for very many years, in fact. One of the head stylists, Amanda, has been cutting and treating my hair for, I think now, a good 10 years. Well, it's special because the staff is really very sweet, really very, make you feel like you're at home. The treatments that you get over the years, because of course there's so much of wear and tear with your hair and your makeup, because you're shooting almost every day, and she's managed to keep my hair, luscious, and so the treatments that are available as well are fantastic.
The monsoons are here. Any special advice for the viewers would you like to suggest?
I would say just have fun. I love the monsoons, and I know a lot of us complain about it becoming all dirty and mucky, but just get wet in the rain and have fun with it.
You wanted to ask?
I try and keep it simple as far as everything is concerned, whether it is the way I think and the way I live. I try and keep it as simple as possible. I come from Goa, so for me it's always been the small things. I try to look for those and make life special.
Lots of buzz about you working with Mr. Salman Khan.
Well, I've said this before. If a girl's dream can come true, then luck's on my side.
पर क्या कितना सही है कि अप्रोच किया गया है दबंग के लिए या कोई और फिल्म के लिए आपको सलमान के साथ सलमान खान?
Well, all I will say is it's a great time for me to have, be in this industry. There's a lot of work out there. There's a lot that I'm reading. It's really exciting, and but beyond that, I cannot comment.
On it? Before you leave, we just want to have your opinion. Slightly different topic. Do you think the pupil, the religious pupil, have the right to dictate the people of how they behave and how do they live their life, or how do they dress? I just talk about Miss Fatima Sana Sheikh, who had posted her picture of being in a swimsuit. And they say like it has been a holy month of Ramadan and it's not appropriate. So if you would like to express your opinion on this or on this topic.
It's actually a topic that it's a very religious topic. So I've been brought up with also very religiously. I come from a very religious background, but I think growing up I've sort of adapted and I've become more of a spiritual person than a religious person. What I will say is I do believe that religion tends to dictate and separate us as people, and I think at the end of the day it's about just being a really good human being and contributing, and that's more important.
But what I was trying to like people criticizing someone just because from the dictates of the religious people, like you can't post pictures like this, you can't do this like this. So is it right or criticizing someone on this?
I'd rather not have a comment on that because it's religion, and I respect it. I respect all the rules that come with it. I respect the way that I've been brought up and what is expected of me as a Roman Catholic. So I think, as a Hindu or as a Muslim, if we just respect, the religion that we belong to, it would be better for all of us.
Very well said. Very intelligent answer. Much appreciated and praises for you.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for obliging us.
Ready?
Samachar Plus, congratulations on completing 5 years. You have my best wishes, and I hope you have another great, amazing, another 5 years.
Thank you so much.